Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dahlia, and today what I felt like doing was creating an eyeshadow look that was using a lot of warm tones, very pink and sunset kind of thing going on. So I'm going to be using several palettes, and when I'm done the makeup look, I'll make sure to list everything that I used in the description box. So if you want to see how I get this look, then keep on watching. So I've already primed my lids with concealer and I've done my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna take the Too Faced palette and I'm gonna take Peach Meringue, which is the white shade. I'm ready. And I'm just going to sweep this all over my eyelids just to set them. So I'm going to take Peach Tea, which is this shade, and I'm going to take a blending brush. I'm just going to put this in the crease. So I basically just put a transition shade, and then I'm going to take Peach Cobbler, which is the shade next to it. I'll take the same brush. Next, I'm going to take the color Tajin from the Kaleidoscope Dream palette, and I'm just going to slowly build the intensity on the crease. Next, using the color Peach Sangria, I'm going to pack this color on the outer third of the eyelid. Next, I'm going to take the color Tajin again, and I'm going to put this on the inner third of the eyelid. I used a makeup wipe on the sides of the eyes to make it more clean, and then I took this red NYX liquid liner in the shade Vivid Fire, and I applied this to make a wing. And to complete the eyeshadow look, I just took the same colors that we used on the top lid and I did the same exact thing on the bottom lash line. And then just to brighten everything up underneath my brow bone and in the inner corner, I just took Leo and Brixton from the Kaleidoscope palette and I applied some. And then I just put some false lashes. I just applied a bit of my Buxom Mascara. And because I had already done my lips and face off camera, I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. So that's the end of the tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. I really hope you liked this video. Like I said, it was a very orange pink sunset eyeshadow look. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! It's not even on properly.
Ready? Look at those beautiful eyes.
This eyelash and we go way back. Ready?
What are you doing, big guy? Come here.
What's up?
You sleeping? Hey? You're sleeping.
Oh, look what he does with his paw. Oh. I love you. High five. High five.